I'm Rick Blacker, Software Evangelist at Intel Corporation, and in this video I would like to help introduce you to what RealSense is and how you might use it in your applications. At a high level, RealSense is a collection of hardware and software capabilities that allow you to interact with the device in a very non-traditional manner. This enables you to develop immersive applications. The RealSense SDK supports two cameras, the world-facing R200 camera and the user-facing SR300 camera. Some of the SDK features that you can use with both cameras include face recognition. This is the ability for the SDK and the camera to make the distinction between your face and my face. Landmark tracking. This is the ability for the camera and the SDK to pinpoint spots around your chin, your nose, your mouth, and your eyes. We have pose detection. Am I leaning left or am I leaning right? 3D scanning. You're going to take your camera, you're going to rotate it around an object. That creates some mesh data. You can take that mesh data, save it out to your hard drive. Once it's on your hard drive, then you can import that into one of your favorite 3D applications. Speech recognition. This isn't so much a functionality of the camera as it is a feature in the SDK. Now let's talk about the SR300 and some of the features in the SDK that are specific to this camera. You can do hand tracking. Hand tracking allows you to track 22 points on the hand. You can do gestures. You can do background removal, green screen, user segmentation, and there's a new functionality called cursor mode. Cursor mode allows you to use your finger as a cursor. It's very smooth and I think you're going to like it. Now I'd like to take a look at some of the features of the world-facing R200 camera. If you take a photo with this camera, some of the functions that you can perform are depth of field refocus. You can do photo segmentation, background and video mask. You can do things like take a measurement. You can even do augmented reality, which allows you to interact with your environment. Now that I've given you an overview of what RealSense is, what are some things you can do with it? Well, let's take games for example. Maybe you want to develop a bow and arrow game. Or maybe you have an object and you want to convert it into 3D so that you can bring it into your 3D modeling application and manipulate it. Let's take the world-facing camera as an example. Imagine placing that on a drone. This would allow you to utilize depth to enable collision avoidance. So I've given you an overview of what RealSense is and given you a few examples of how you might use it. I'd like to invite you to go to our app showcase and see what other developers have created. So now, let's take a look at the physical differences between the RealSense cameras, starting with the SR300. This camera operates by using coded light technology, which consists of color RGB camera, an IR projector, an IR sensor, and ASIC. The R200 camera, on the other hand, uses stereoscopic technology. This consists of two IR cameras and a laser projector. The two cameras on the R200 device act as left and right eyes, analogous to how human vision works. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. For more information and documentation, please visit the links provided.